All right, let's try out a change task. Okay, so we have our picture here. We need to look up entry added, and we need to give it a name. Okay, and we map this guy here, and then we have to create a process definition task that's matching this. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we did here. So you go into this lookup and you add an entry and you put user email because that's what it is in OIM, user email. Okay, so once we put that in there, then now here I use the different names just to show that you can put anything you want in here. You don't necessarily have to follow any of this. As you can see, they called this move user. Okay, so I called it email changed, and the reason why I do that is so when I sort the process definition tasks, I can see email changed, email updated. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start with email changed. We'll just focus on that for now. So as part of the change, what we're going to do is copy the changed email address from here to here via the task that's defined in the process definition. All right. So in our lookup, we're calling it email changed. Over here, we have a task called email change that I just created. Now, all it's doing is using a copy string. This is what 99.9% of these will do. The input field will be the email from the user definition. The output field will be in the process form, the email address. Notice again, it's using the label, not the UD underbar ICFNJ email. It's using the label. That's very important. Okay, so now once this runs, it should just copy the attribute from the user record to the process form. So this won't be null. And when we get over here, this won't be null, and they should be the same. All right, so let's give it a shot. So if we go over here to the API tester, that's our user. We're going to change the email address. All right, hopefully this works. Okay, the update worked. Let's see what happened in the logs. Okay, so something obviously happened here. We got an event. Okay, let's see. Usually OIM will print it out. I don't see anything. Okay, let's take a look over here. So if we look in the user table, let's do a refresh. Okay, we definitely have an email. Let's see if it ran. Okay, so it worked. So now when we change the email address, OIM looked to see if we had a task name, and we did. We didn't call it change email address, we called it change email. So we have a change email task over here. It ran and it copied this, and it copied the email from here to here using the average everyday copy string. And that's how that works. So now the next thing will be to get the value that was updated in the process form pushed out to the target system via the email address updated task. And we'll do that in the next video.